Tonight we are eating chicken wings for dinner, and the family wants them nice and crispy. I'm Tess, and I will show you how I season and make my crispy chicken wings. Stay tuned. I have 5 large chicken wings that I cleaned, dried, and cut the tips off. I'm seasoning with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, and you can use black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of celery salt, 1/4 teaspoon of lemon pepper, 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper for a little background heat, and finally 1 large egg white. Giving that a good toss so all the pieces are coated thoroughly, and letting them marinate for 30 minutes, if not longer. You can also brine the wings in a salt-sugar mix or buttermilk before frying. For the coating, I have 1 cup of cornstarch and 1/3 cup of flour. And for the seasonings, I'm going to mimic a few of the marinating seasonings. I'm adding in 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, and again you can use black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, giving that a good mix. Now that the chicken wings are done marinating, I'm giving them a good dip in the seasoned mixture, making sure everything is coated and actually pressing in the coating. Then I'm lightly shaking off any excess and letting them rest for 15 to 20 minutes, and that will be time enough to bring my oil up to heat. I have my vegetable oil heated to 365 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm adding in the wings. You don't want to overcrowd the pan. You want to fry the wings at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, but I started out higher because once I add the wings, it will decrease the temperature of the oil. The chicken wings will take 10 to 12 minutes to cook depending on the size of the wings. You want to give them a flip about 2 to 4 times during the cooking so they evenly cook. Once the wings are done, you want to remove from the oil and drain on a wire rack. The chicken wings are nice and crispy with a nice balance of seasonings. Serve with your favorite dipping sauce, or toss with your favorite buffalo or barbecue sauce. I hope you give these crispy fried chicken wings a try, and enjoy! If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!